If you need to make a loop at the end of your rope, this is called the perfection loop, and it's the fastest one you can tie. First, pinch the tag end of your rope under your thumb. Do one wrap over top of your thumb, then a second wrap just in front of it. Reach through that top loop and pull the bottom thumb loop through. If it's not tight, you could pull this end to tighten it, and it's extremely secure and strong. When you're finished and want to undo it, pull these two loops in opposite directions and the whole thing comes loose. But why would you use it over other loops like the figure 8, the double dragon, or the bowline? Well, the perfection loop has 3 unique advantages. Firstly, it could be tied as a secure loop with a quick release, without learning an entirely new way to tie it. It's tied almost exactly the same, pinching the loop, wrapping our first wrap around the thumb, and for our second wrap, we instead do a fold, which is called a bite. Now the same step, pull the thumb loop through the top one, and pull this side here to tighten it up. And pulling that tag end will make the quick release loop smaller than the top one, so you don't get confused on which loop to hook to. Simply pull that tag for the quick release. Now the second benefit is the structure of the knot. The knot on the perfection loop lies perfectly in line, while others can be slightly offset. It's also less bulky, making it less easy to snag when going through things like eyelets on fishing rods. It requires slightly less rope to tie and is the loop knot of choice for very thin lines, which makes it really popular in fishing and is well known as the angler's loop in fishing applications. So here's how we tie it around an object, and we'll use a fishing hook for example here. First, threading through your hook or object, and now use the standing part of your line to make the loop. Pinch both the line and the object under your thumb, and use the tag end to do our same wraps as before, one over, and then one just in front. Now all we do from here is use the object to pass through that top loop, and when you pull it tight, you have your perfection loop attached to an object. The third benefit is you don't need the end of a rope to tie the perfection loop. It can be a secure midline loop or dropper loop in fishing, and is tied the exact same way. Grab the middle of your line, pinch under your thumb, wrap over your thumb, and then around again. Then just pull that thumb loop through the top loop, and you have your secure midline loop, which doesn't hinder the strength of your other lines. It's released in the same way, pulling the colors in opposite directions. In general, the figure 8, the double dragon, and the bowline are all to be used when safety is your highest concern, which is why they're taught in search and rescue applications. The perfection loop, on the other hand, is a great everyday utility knot. And while it is extremely strong, it's generally reserved for fishing and utility, where you want one knot that's really good for a variety of circumstances and uses. So thank you all for watching. If you like my style of teaching, you'll love this video here or this playlist here. I'm your friend DJ from the Bare Essentials, and thanks for stopping by.